Hi everyone, it's Matthew again. It's the first week of May 2026, and here we're going to be trading the volatility 25 1x touch no touch. This is a Deriv new design. That's a web design. For those who haven't traded on this web design, you can see it's different. It has been updated and. So once you log into your trading account, you can see the trade types when you click on the four tick square dot towards the left corner of the left middle corner. So it's going to bring, when you click on it, you're going to see all these trade types right here. It's towards this area. That's what you see is right on top here. Once you click on it, you see the touch no touch. You click on touch no touch, then the volatility here, you set it to volatility 25 index, that's 25 1x. Then the trade type, you go to once you see, click on touch no touch on the right corner, you're going to click on no touch. You're going to set this to 2 minutes, set the barrier offset to plus 482.43, enter the amount you want to stake. And we're also using an indicator, which is the stochastic momentum indicator. You go to momentum here and you click on the stochastic momentum index. So you're going to see right here, and we're going to be clicking on, make sure this is in no touch. You click on no touch. We're going to be clicking on buy once this red and white, that's this indicator, once both of them are sliding down and they must be facing down, that's why you click on buy. So let's watch. You can see where it is right here. Zoom it a little bit. You can see the white is facing down, the red, both of them are facing down. You can see the spot here. I click on buy right here. So we're going to wait for the outcome of that trade. Remember, both of them has to be facing down. They must be sliding down before you click on buy. You can see this spot right here. This one you click on buy. So we have 47 seconds there. So you can see we won that trade. So we're going to place one more trade. Just wait a little. You can see this both sliding down. This is where you place your trade when they both sliding down, the red and the white line. They have to be sliding down. So you click on buy and make sure you set all this correctly. And this one is in no touch. So we're going to place one more trade. You can see it's going right up there, so you have to wait. They must be sliding down. The white is already sliding down, the red is sliding down. Okay, so you can see the spot where I placed this trade. They were both sliding down. So we have 1 minute 16 seconds right here. So we're going to go quickly to the buy sell indicator. That's the MT5. You can see this is an indicator at work right there. We're giving this indicator for free. It works on Deriv and other Forex broker platforms that support MT5. You can use it to trade your synthetic indices, your Forex, and other pairs. Once you attach it to your chart, once it shows this blue, you buy. Once it shows this, you sell. So we're giving it away for free. We have 45 seconds here, and for those who haven't purchased the Toscaper bot for Deriv, it's 9.99 USD. Visit toscaper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng, toscaper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to order the bot. And the Pip Super bot is 7.99 USD to order the bot. Visit binaryoptionsautotradingbots.citywidetechnologies.com.ng. They're both automated and they work on Deriv. And we're also giving away free ebook when you order our bots, and free gifts as well when you order any of our bots. Make sure you subscribe to our channels. Let's get back to the trade. So we have 8 seconds left right here. So as you can see, we won that trade again. We won that trade. So for those who don't have a trading account, here is the link to sign up for a free trading account to test all our strategies on demo before you go live. We're going to paste all these infos in the video description, and make sure you subscribe to our channels. This is the first one, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels, and the links to order the bots as well, they're all there in the video description, and the instructions to get the buy sell indicator. Check the video description on YouTube for all these infos. You will see them in the video description on YouTube. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.